Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on Interstate 55 at mile marker 28, just as we enter Mississippi County, Arkansas. The county was formed in 1833 and named for the Mississippi River, which forms the eastern border of the county. Mississippi County had a population of 40,685 as of the 2020 census and makes up the Blytheville Micropolitan Statistical Area. Throughout this entire video, we'll be on a heading very close to northeast. Exit 34 connects with State Highway 118, which leads east to the small city of Joyner on US Highway 61. Joyner was the birthplace of record company executive Al Bennett, for whom the character Alvin of Alvin and the Chipmunks was named. Joyner had an estimated population of 500 in 2019. Exit 36 is a junction with State Highway 181, which connects I-55 with the town of Bassett and the town of Wilson further northeast on US 61. Just to the southeast of Wilson is a large island in the Mississippi River that belongs to the state of Tennessee. Island number 35 was formed in 1876 when the main channel of the Mississippi River rerouted itself during a spring flood. In 1900, the skeleton of a mastodon, an extinct animal that resembled the modern elephant, was discovered on the island. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. and give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 41 provides access to the towns of Lepanto to the west and Marie to the east. Lepanto was the filming location of a TV movie based on John Grisham's novel A Painted House. Also to the west in the town of Dice is the boyhood home of legendary country singer Johnny Cash. Exit 44 provides access to Arkansas Highway 181 in the city of Keizer just to the north. Keizer served as a logging outpost and railroad stop on the rail line that connected Wilson and Jonesboro. Later, after deforestation, it became an agricultural community. As of 2019, the city had an estimated population of 676. Keizer was the birthplace of country music singer and songwriter Ed Bruce, who wrote the hit song Mamas Don't Let Your Babies Grow Up to Be Cowboys. We enter the city of Osceola, one of two county seats of Mississippi County. Founded in 1837 and incorporated in 1853, the city's economy grew as steamboat traffic increased. Timber and cotton harvesting would develop, and the city experienced rapid growth and development throughout the early 20th century. The city's economy has since diversified to include a robust industrial sector. The city had a population of 6,976 as of the 2020 census. And just a note, a lot of these little towns will be examined more closely in our next series as we drive US 61 back down through this area. So stay tuned for a slower paced, laid back series in the coming months. We conclude today's video as we reach mile marker 53. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.